afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to expose the Getty about the study analysis the project focus the topography implement in the University Fundación Juan de Castellanos. The study is focused the limited topography equipment about the university campus. For the research, this object of the research is to analyze the data collected and the proposed solution that can be applied to mitigate this problem. For this reason, the article presented resulted of the scientific and technology research to study the different points of the student may be made the frequency tables bar chart where the general analysis of the article will apply is in evidence that academic performance the student may affect the shortcoming of the university. There is the supervised equipment. The methodology to carry this project, the method critical analysis server was taken in the account like description server. I am not document the problem but explain and describe in order find the solution. This project carry an interpretation of the information relaxed to the interest and is the recent through Arctic project in research ethos. 2. A server was carried following this corresponding application taking the account the equation that determining that will they apply the 122 student from the 3rd to the 6th semester of the civil engineer that as a margin error fixed 5% and confidence level in the 50%. The conclusion project taking in the account the analysis the result of the survey made student for the 6th semester of the civil engineer. It can be concluded that the Juan de Castellanos University Foundation needs to acquire new more survey equipment so that the student can make use the more efficient was thus able to mitigate or eliminate is the problem and bring better learning to the student. Similarly, it can be concluded that conditions equipment are optimal where the limitation of this is not a favorable for students from the 6th semester of the civil the most allowed solution. That are in this case the faculty supplied with sufficient equipment to develop the price and data limited equipment topography. This way I will obtain better comfort for both student and teacher. Thank you.